So we're in Wisconsin right now. We're in Madison. I'm with Che, and we are gonna do some magnet fishing. See that magnet? Look at that thing. That is a beast.
We should try it right here.
Yeah, let's do it. Okay, stand by.
Yeah, it says it's a 1,000-pound pull, which I'm not 100% sure what that means, but I don't think it pick up 1,000 pounds. It's a beast.
That's a lot of weight. I'm not, I'm just saying.
Yeah.
I'm just saying. Dude,
Really?
That's the right kind of magnet to use. You can't
Right.
get it?
You try.
All right, you take this.
All right. Straight pull it, Ryan.
I can't get it off, dude.
All right, well, here.
Holy cow. You're gonna have to rock it, dude.
Are you serious? Holy
That
cow.
is a serious magnet.
Or something. Usually you can feel it.
All right,
You gotta go to the box.
there's our first catch right there.
That's right.
Nice work.
That's no joke, man. That could have killed somebody.
That's legit. So we just picked up that lure right there, just right off the bottom there. So we got something down here. I can feel it. Oh, dude, it was moving.
Is it coming up?
It was.
Oh, dude, don't tease me like this.
Come on,
It looks big. It looks big. Oh! You gotta get it, man.
that was big. Oh, there we go.
All right. You want help? Oh! Here, let's switch.
Should be right straight down.
Oh,
Oh, he's
Yeah,
got
there
it. Oh, there you go. There you go. Oh. Dude, that magnet pulled up that giant I-beam.
no, this is yours. That's your catch.
Dude, you caught it.
Here, no.
All right.
All right. Well, catch and release. You know the law. I don't know. Oh, slide it. Yeah. All right. Trophy hunter. Look at that.
Oh, hey.
The trophy
We got
hunter.
some more stuff on there. There, we got a hook.
Shard. As long as you have your tetanus, you'll be good.
I'm riddled with tetanus. Oh, we got something? Oh, he does. Oh, he got something.
Medical forceps.
Dude, those are nice. Those are good for fishing if they work. Ooh, they still work. He's got something down there. We got some
Tweezers.
tweezers for the tweakers. We got a battery, but the Zippo.
It's a
Dude,
triple X.
that's an old one.
Is that an old Zippo?
Well, I don't know. It looks like it.
It's smaller than the normals.
There's the trash pile so far.
At all.
It's not.
It's right on the edge of the concrete.
Nuts and bolts. Nuts and bolts. All right, so here's some of the junk that we found so far. This is all the trash. I'm gonna take this and throw all that in the trash, but chunks of the old bridge, all sorts of crazy stuff. These things are toasted. I can't get them open, so I'm gonna just toss those. So, anyways, that's that. Some big old hooks in there, but they're all kind of rusted, so they're no good. So we'll toss this, and we'll get some more stuff. So check that out. All right, let's go get some more.
No. It
Is it steps?
Oh,
get?
just a big old fatty weight, but it's not lead. It has to be steel.
Whoa, that's cool. All right. So our magnet fishing adventure so far, this is the best ones that we've got. Oh, there's a leech on there.
Is there?
Yeah, look at that leech.
Oh yeah, he's looking.
I think this is the best find of the day. Cool old Zippo lighter.
Smaller than
But
normal.
these things still work. They still fold, so do these. So that's going to be good for fishing, so those are keepers. And then, I don't know what that is. It's not lead though, but it's some kind of a sinker. Okay, that's all we've got. We're going to go try and find some more stuff, but so far that's it. Thanks for watching. Catch you later. This is what I've ended up with. It's a park lighter. And this is one of the things we pulled up off the bottom. Look at that. Pull that up out of the lake. Pretty cool.